Hi guys, welcome back. Hey, another Saturday, another shave, and as you've seen by the thumbnail, come on, let's all see it together. We've got a good one lined up for you today. First off, the brush we're going to be using, there you go, is my oumo rabbit year anniversary brush. That's got a 26mm, I think it's a G5 synthetic knot. I've heard from a lot of people that this brush is a synthetic that is designed to replicate a badger. So let's get it in there. We'll put it in to soak in some hot water. So we'll see how that one goes on. Get the bowl ready. The razor we're going to be using, Reggie's. Does that look like a Reggie's? It doesn't, does it? That's a Reggie's razor's head on top of an Alpha Outlaw handle. I think it looks pretty good. I want an Alpha Outlaw head, can't find one anywhere for that handle. That had the handle a couple of years given to me by Mr. Wickham. The Reggie's razor is a wonderful razor, but I find I should have brought it in really. The handle is just a bit too long. I stuck the handle next to this before I came in here, and just the handle was like up there. It's just a bit too long, so put it on that. Let's see how we're going to nearly put it in. Let's see how we go with that. Here we go. There it is. I'll show you the base plate. Oh, Reggie's razors. And what we're going to be putting in that, we're going to be putting in a Sunny blade. A Sunny, I think these are out of India, if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look. They're a nice blade, these. They are a nice blade. There you go. Sunny Supreme stainless steel. I've used Sunny blades quite a lot. I've only ever had one duffer, so we'll put that in there. We'll put that in there. And then let's move on. Star of the show. I shadow on my nose. Look, I'm starting with a zit. Oh, guys. Anyway, star of the show. Come on. Final instalment today of Moon June. Come on. There we go. Moon Soaps Union. This is their barbershop scent. Absolutely wonderful. I forgot my tablet, but basically it's lemon, lime, bergamot, something else, leathery notes, just typical barbershop scent. That's the balm and the soap, and we're going to splash up with a bit of Old Spice. So what I'll do is that tub, well, that's just a bit of soap that was left on it after the last. It was dry, but let's get some of this. We'll scoop it out here. Yeah, we'll scoop some out. And we'll put it in the bowl. We'll put it there, yeah. And we'll see how we go with this knot. Apparently some people were, I wasn't impressed with this knot on this brush the last time I used it. But some people have said to me it's designed to mimic a badger, so maybe you should soak it, maybe you should do that, which is fair enough. So we'll get that on there. The scent on this soap I would put about a 5. I'll just put that in there with some water. We'll tip that water in there. What's your SOTD, your shave of the day? What's your other SOTD, your slurp of the day? I'm on Kenyan coffee this morning, not Sterling. I've run out of Sterling. Absolutely wonderful. I need that. No biscuits, no snacks, nothing. I went to get some. They've all gone. It's been a busy week. I'll talk about it during the shave. It's been a busy week. But there you go. That's the shave slurp of the day. The evening slurp of the day. I'm back on Old Jam Shed tonight. There you go. We'll have a glass of that. Okay. Shall we wet the face? Go on, wet the face. Let's get that soaking in. Right, water. There you go. That's it done there. The brush. Let's have a go. Let's have a do and see what we can do. Well, look at this. It seems to be doing okay so far, doesn't it? Have I said the scent strength? I would put the scent strength on this at about the 5, slap bang in the middle. Moon June's been a good success. Moon Soaps aren't aware of it. I keep tagging them when I put it on Instagram, but no reply. And I've seen plenty of other people using Moon Soaps, but they all seem reluctant to use my little hashtag Moon June. So here we go. But look at this, look. I bought this soap. I think the aftershave splash was from Stuart George, but I think I bought the soap from memory. I think I bought the soap, or I might have given it away and Stuart George might have given me another one. I can't remember, but he's going on holiday soon, Stuart, so today actually, so have a nice holiday, Stuart. He's not going to be sitting on a beach in Greece watching this, is he? There you go. Look at that. Can you see? Can you see the absolute sheen on that? Okay. I love that brush handle. I'm going to try eventually. Going to try and swap that knot out though. Oh, right. Here you go. Come on. Let's do it. Look at this, guys. Camera doesn't lie, does it? Wow. Yeah. This brush is very, very soft indeed. Look at that. Camera doesn't like so. Oh look, messages. I normally switch the notifications off. Here we go. Let's see how we do. I think just putting a shorter handle on this will change the dynamics of how this razor shaves. I do. Well, you've seen the whiskers that I've got. And isn't it funny? It's very smooth. Very, very smooth. Very smooth shaver, but I don't remember it being this mild. Oh, so anyway, let me know what your shaves of the day are. Let me know how you're doing. How are you all doing? Like I say, it's been a busy old week. I had a nurse's appointment on Tuesday with the back. I couldn't make it. Work's been busy. I've been slightly off colour. I had a cold sore, a little bit of a temperature, a little bit of weepy eye, and then all combined with the heat and the fact that it's been busy in work, all just created a perfect storm. It's been warm at night, so I haven't been sleeping very well, and then getting up and work's been quite heavy, you know, and just, look, came home last night, I had a glass of wine, but I went to bed about 9 o'clock, didn't wake up until 9 o'clock this morning, so I'm filming this late. I don't even know what time it is, it's about midday. I normally film at about 11 and then do other things around the house and then upload at about 1. But even today, even I've been off today, I'm behind, you know. So yeah. Oh, so like I said, let me know what your shaves of the day is. Let me know what you think of today's shave. Let me know what your slip is. How many other things? Oh, let me know what you thought about Moon June as well. I think it's good. It's just kind of a way of anything to try and shoehorn an artisan in. Do you know what I mean? I didn't see. You know, they've got a good reputation, Moon Soaps. But I think they're one of the smaller artisans. I mean, you may disagree. They don't seem to get as used as much as other artisans, and I think if we want to keep these artisans and want to keep these soaps, we'll show them some love. You know, we're the shop window, if you like. And I mean, look at this, absolutely sensational lather. Very, very slick. I mean, I could shave. What's going on? So I could shave right now on that residual slickness. Oh my word. And you get them weeks, don't you? You get those weeks where, yeah. It just happens, doesn't it? Life gets in the way, doesn't it? I was sat there today I got up, had a slice of toast, had a cup of tea. I sat there and I thought, oh goodness me, the shave. I'd completely and utterly forgotten about the shave. That's how much of a tiz we've been in. But once again, this Sunny blade is performing. I think they're out of Pakistan. And this Reggie's razor is very, very smooth. Very nice shave. Quality item, check them out, Reggie's razors. They do a lot of handles, there we go again. They do a lot of handles that you can shove into a Gillette Mach 3 head. So you can have a nice coloured themed Reggie's razor handle. There. So that's it really. There hasn't been much going on apart from that. Just focused on work, focused on family, focused on getting well. Went to see the nurse yesterday. The nurse was saying that the back's healing well. But she did that thing. She went, oh dear. I went, what? She went, oh, it's an odd looking wound. I went, oh no, what's happened? She went, oh, it's healing really well, John. Tell it to your face and your tone of voice then, sweet pea. Hey, cheers everybody. But that's it, we're on lather mittens. Look at this lather, guys. Look at this lather. Look at it. Moon Soaps, what an absolute winner Moon Soaps is. Look, that beautiful sheen. And as you know, I wasn't working it for long. There are other wet shavers out there will work the soap into world-class lathers. And I just worked that into a phenomenal lather there without hardly any effort. So it tells you the quality of Moon Soaps, doesn't it? And Moon Soaps don't know I'm doing this. I'm not getting paid. I've not got this for free, nothing, you know. All of my Moon Soaps, I think. I've got about 6 Moon Soap sets. I think Stuart George sent me 2 and I bought the other 4. So I'm not on commission. Oh, nah. It's our shave, guys. That's our shave, our happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, aren't you all glad it's here? Oh my word. Yeah, so that's it. There isn't really a lot to discuss. Like I said, bed work, you know. There, let's get some splash. Allspice, this is the new Procter & Gamble Allspice. I'll be honest with you guys. It smells like a much watered down poor man's version of the original. But it was only something like £5 in the supermarket and it hits the spot. So there you go. We'll get some of that on there, some of the balm. Very skin foody, that guy. Very, very skin foody. How did we do? Come on, Lancashire. Hey, we did okay, didn't we, guys? We did okay. Nice, baby bum, smooth, from the Frankenstein's razor, so to speak. So let me know what you think. Let me know what your shaves of the day is. Look after each other, and remember, be the change you want to see in the world. And then you, little old you've changed the world, haven't you? Look after yourselves, guys, and I will see you on Wednesday for the midweek shave. And do you know what? Quite rarely for me, I haven't got anything planned yet. So we'll dig something nice out and we'll have a treat. See you then. Bye.